see by the dawn. Words have lost their meaning, but we're carrying on, and I believe.
Hello, and welcome to the practice problems video for graphs of linear functions. Alright, here's number 1. We're going to sketch a line with the given features, an x-intercept of -4, 0, and y-intercept of 0, -2. Okay, so the easiest way we could do this is simply by graphing those 2 points and drawing a line between them. So let's do so, and then we'll study the actual properties of this line. So here's x and here's y, and here's, I actually drew that wrong, but anyways, 1, 2, 3, 4 in the negative direction, and then 1, 2 in the negative direction on y. So if we graph those 2 points, we have -4, 0, and 0, -2, right? And then we just simply draw our line, and there it is. That's the sketch of our line. So something else to note is that, well, let's check the slope. So slope is going to be -2 minus 0 over 0 minus a -4. So that would be like 0 plus 4 on the bottom. So this is -2 over 4, which equals -1/2. And let's check. So that means for each, okay, so we're going to go down 1 and to the 2 to the right. Okay, so down 1, 2 to the right. Yep, we're on the line. Down 1 and 2 to the right. Yes, this is the correct slope and everything. Okay? Okay, number 2, we're going to write the equations of the line shown. So for part A, let's say this is part A, we have a horizontal line, right? So here's our x and here's our y. So that means that the y-intercept is going to be a 3, right? So 0, 3. And then we have 1, 3, 2, 3, this and that. So that means that we have to have a constant function, which means that our f of x, or our equal to y, is equal to a +3. Okay, and that's it. Y is equal to 3 is the equation of that line. And now let's look at part B. Now we have a vertical line going on, right? So our x is equal to, our x value is -3, and that's basically it. That's all we write is x is equal to -3, and we are done. Okay, number 3, we're told that given below are descriptions of 2 lines, find the slopes of line 1 and line 2, and then we're supposed to determine whether the lines are parallel, perpendicular, or neither. Okay, so let's do line 1 first. So line 1, so the slope 1, m1, is equal to, let's make this the second point and this the first point. Okay, so we'll have -1 minus 3 over 4 minus 2, and this is equal to -4 over a +2, which is equal to a -2 overall. Okay, line 2 is given by the slope of m sub 2 is equal to 5 minus 3 over 8 minus 6 is equal to 2 over 2, which is equal to 1. So these are definitely not equal, so that means they are not parallel, Okay, let's see if one is the negative reciprocal of the other. It doesn't look like it, so let's just try. Let's say, is 1 equal to the negative reciprocal of this, and that would be a no, right? This m2, that would be like m2. I was trying to make it equal to -1 over m sub 1, and that is definitely not true. 1 is not equal to 1/2. Okay, so they're not perpendicular either. Not perpendicular either. Okay, so the answer for our case for this problem is neither. Neither parallel nor perpendicular. Okay.